At Capstone Assets, we are guided by three guiding principles: integrity, innovation, and excellence. This has always been our core principle for the company. We want to build a company that earns trust and stands the test of time. PEYLAA Phuket Autograph Collection Residences is a project that reflects who we truly are, crafted, intentional, and designed. We want to deliver a product that is elevated and matches the lifestyle of our consumer. PEYLAA Phuket Autograph Collection Residences is truly unique. It's the first autograph collection residences in Asia Pacific. It sets a new benchmark for premium living and branded residences, shaped around customers who value comfort, well-being, and self-care. Our commitment to quality has always been unwavering. Every element from design to maintenance is held to a standard that ensures a timeless appeal for everybody who calls this place home. And through our collaboration with Marriott International, the project not only benefits from Marriott's design and operational expertise, but also a legacy of excellence that strengthens everything that we have built here.
When it comes to the PEYLAA concept, we were really inspired by the location, and creating the social sanctuary is something that's very special. On a deeper note, and working in collaboration very closely with the Capstone team, we realized we need to go a little bit deeper. So they want to find a place that they can call home. And so finding a place that's really comfortable, crafting the design, crafting the story so that every single detail has been fully considered. How do we create an amazing community from beginning to end, that every single detail is fully considered, but our attitude in terms of the service philosophy, in terms of how we interact with each other, we call kind of polished casual. So polished casual is this idea of we're very sort of casual in spirit, but refined in all the execution and all of the details. And so that's really part of the concept of PEYLAA. So the name PEYLAA is actually very beautiful. We might think it sounds a little bit like pearl, and we would be right. So in many different languages, multiple languages, it means pearl. It sounds like pearl as well. And of course, Phuket being the Pearl of Andaman, it was a very natural name to really bring to the forefront. The other idea in Thai language, PEYLAA also means time. So there's a timeless character to the lifestyle here. PEYLAA really became the name to represent the location, the spirit, the lifestyle that you can have here, as well as destination, timeless community that we can really be all a part of.
The first thing that came to mind when we designed the architectural part of the project is that we want to create the sense of being residential for the guests when they arrive. So instead of designing a big black box like typical condominium, we want to create some depth, some warmth to the facade. So timber is the first thing that we came to mind that we want to emphasize on applying to the facade, because timber is timeless materials. It creates such a warmth and nice texture, delicate touch to the project. And the way we compose the facade configuration is that we introduce the fin elements to be the main feature to the facade. And the way it's organized throughout the even and odd floor creates a sense of depth and light and shadows. And the way we use timber creates the interplay between the lights and shadow, which change throughout the day as the time goes by, so that the mood and tone change throughout the day. Sustainability is the crucial part when we're designing the master plan. We are so lucky that the plot orientation just run across from west to east. Coincidentally, that's the local sea breeze that breeze across the west to east directly. So when we place the building, it's sort of like wrapping around the central open big space area. That sea breeze can just breeze nicely to the central part of the project. So all the building gets natural ventilation quite easily. The basic principle of the building orientation is already there. The interior part will take care of the rest.
Once interior design comes on board, we get the main principle of the building well laid out. It's always in the principle of the concept of Capstone to deliver a home to customer. So basically, it's not just we are designing furniture that is right to scale, or we are designing a storage space that is so practical. We want to design a place that you feel effortlessly comfortable and feeling like a place that you can really live everyday life. More detail can be found in the texture of materials, in the place that you walk around, the practicality of hidden space that you can have extra functional space. is what has been through our thoughtful process. The special part about this project is the collaboration between Marriott International, which everyone knows that is a really world-class design, build, and operation, which is really special, the so rounded partner, together with Capstone, which has their really strength in being, I would say, boutique, local developer, which has really strong will to deliver something really crafted for the development. The result of it is really interesting. You get a really high standard type of residences for living, but at the same time, you feel the local soul into it. So it's not like anywhere else. It's the world standard with enriched local touch.
To have a thoughtful landscape design, we started from choosing the right plant species that enhance the architecture and create a sense of calmness for the residents who live within the space. Each plant selection has a purpose. It's enhanced the atmosphere, softening the environment, and in the same time, create a quiet sense of life that naturally integrated. The core of the landscape design is harmony. The landscape design itself is shaped to work with nature rather than resisting it, allowing the greenery, the light, and air to move freely at their own rhythm, quietly elevate the life, the experience at PEYLAA Phuket.
Everything you have heard comes together here, created for you. Live in the moment. Let timeless natural beauty unfold at your own pace.